Over the last 12 to 18 months, we have been reinventing ourselves. We have taken our programs and our current policy manual and we've refined those programs, added additional policies and processes and supports that will make things much more easier for the delivery for our employment counselors, and as well as a consistent service for our clients.
One of the services that we have with our programs through the MET department is our minimal level of service, and with that we provide the same supports that the Service Canada offices have and the Employment Manitoba offices in terms of job search supports, employment information, access to project officers and employment training counselors. So by providing that service, we're providing an opportunity for our Métis clientele to access the information that's out there in terms of occupations and industry.
Some of our clients are coming to us with different levels of barriers, and of course we use different programs to meet the different barriers of those individual clients. Clients that require skills training can be sponsored to attend colleges, universities, or they can participate in project-based training that is designed specifically by our department with partner employers and educational institutions. One of the educational institutes that we have been working quite closely with on our project-based training is the Louis Riel Institute. It's an affiliate of the Manitoba Métis Federation.
Louis Riel Institute has provided numerous training programs over the years. We've done a variety of project-based training, such as bank tellers, security guard training, correction officer pre-training. More recently, LRI has developed a Métis-specific essential skills curriculum that not only LRI will be able to deliver, but the MET regional offices will be able to offer as well. In the last 10 years, we've actually been administering the endowment fund for the Manitoba Métis Federation. There is approximately $13 million in that endowment fund, and there have been approximately 2,600 Métis students attending post-secondary institutions that have received scholarships and bursaries. A partnership between Louis Riel Institute and the MET department is invaluable. Together we can collaboratively develop materials and offer materials that are specific to the Métis needs, providing greater opportunities to our Métis citizens across Manitoba.
Another aspect that we've undertaken is made ourselves more available to the people, to our members, to our clients. We launched our Métis employment website, mmfemployment.ca, on June 21st, our original day in Selkirk this year.
And it allows us the opportunity to showcase our information on our programs and services and our department and some of the initiatives we're involved in. It also allows our clientele to apply for funding online. With that application, once it's submitted, we have staff that can review the application and follow up with our clients to gather more information and have them come in for employment counseling interviews.
With our agreement with Canada, with the three-prong approach on the financial accountability, the partnerships and the labour market demands, we've gotten into partnerships with Manitoba Lotteries and Bison Transport and Manitoba Hydro, where the demands are so great in the province of Manitoba that the workforce on these sites needs to be supported greatly, and the Manitoba Métis Federation has jumped in with both feet to get our clients job ready for these individuals.
We've looked at project-based training slightly different in the last 12 months. We have been including an employer partner to sit at the table with us. So once our project training is complete, the clients have a seamless transition into employment, and we're training for jobs that are already available. So this is more of a training to direct employment approach rather than regular project-based training. This is really strengthening the transition from training to employment.
From an industry's perspective, we see a huge advantage. The advantage is not only creating the incentive for industry to participate, but the reality is there's a huge demand on skilled and unskilled employees. What the MET program shows is that the Métis Federation is very committed not only to developing their people, they're prepared to invest in their people so those opportunities exist for their people. So whether it's the mining sector, oil and gas, construction, building construction, road building, all those skill sets can be developed under that model. Tremendous value for industry.
We're now focusing on bringing our youth back into the workforce more strongly than ever before. Currently we have a great number of youth, but we know there are so many more out there that are not accessing the opportunities that are available to them. So we're going into the communities to develop a skills inventory of our citizens, and here's an opportunity for the youth to come out and meet with us on any given evening that we're in their community, and we'll work with them to achieve the goals that they've set for themselves.
What has made our programs strong and successful is the MMF's approach. It is inclusive and cohesive when it comes to our communities and the employers. We look at the labor market, and we are looking at how do we make our clients that much more successful.
As the Manitoba Métis Federation continues to move forward in providing its training opportunities to the Métis citizens of Manitoba, and we've shown ourselves to be more accountable and more dynamic in our delivery services, we ask that you continue to believe in yourself and believe in the Métis.